How to remove the WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. What is up everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your WhatsApp number on your Facebook page. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you would want to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you're logged into the page where you want to remove your WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your menu section and then simply tap on the page. So what I'm talking about here is if I go ahead and view my page as in general public, as you can see there is a WhatsApp button here and anyone can tap on this and get in contact with you on WhatsApp. Now if you want to remove this, what you need to do is first of all, go ahead and tap on the three lines right here and then you are going to tap on this option right here, edit action button. So what it does is by default you'll have the message option. So if you have added your WhatsApp and now want to remove it, you'll have an option to remove it right here. Go ahead and tap on remove. And as you can see, the button is now removing and the action button has successfully been removed. So if I go ahead and view as now, the WhatsApp button should be gone. So as you can see, there is only the like button on my page. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.